if you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe so you know when we post new videos. So today we'll be opening I Dig Monsters. Fun feels cool. So it says slice and peel to find O.M.G. Ooh, that's a nice name. Dig me out. Look for my... It also color changes! Wow! Surprise! It also color changes. So the first step you need to do is remove the cap. Second, put the monster in. I think you need to peel. Second, you get your monster. You get this one. And then it will color change. Okay. And also kids, remember you need to ask an adult for scissors. Be careful. Because you might cut your finger. Here we go. Ready? It's hard. Okay, here. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. Wow. My big... Wow. Guys, look. We have a pink and it's a popsicle. It's so giant. Okay, firstly, we get our tape. Firstly, we need to get this plastic off. Wow. Okay. There we go. Now I think, how do you open this? Whoa! Wait, what's this? So there's a chopsticks inside. And there's chopsticks, as you see. Now we'll be opening this. Okay, guys. Now I need, because I think there's slime inside, so be careful and don't. Can I open this? Ooh! I see slime inside. Look. Okay, let's dig. Ooh, I got one piece out. I found my blind bag. Let me just dig it out first. Oh, let me get my blind bag. I found it. Okay, dig some more. Let me fix my knife. Whoa! It's easier to get it like this. There we go. Okay, now I'll get my scissors. Careful. Okay. Let's see what I got. Wait, oh my gosh. So here's my monster. Her name is O.M.G. Now, fun facts. So, O.M.G fun facts. Whenever O.M.G sneezes, a snowball is born. Ooh, let's see the second fun fact. Okay, so O.M.G's favorite day is Sunday. Ooh. Okay. Now I'll describe her. So she has a pink layer, and I think at the middle there's a white. She has some pink cheeks and blue feet at the bottom. Now we'll be pouring some water to see her color change. Careful. Okay, here we go. Okay. So this is cold water. We need to fill it up again. Let's see her color change. Okay. I see something. Her color changed. Oh, she's wearing sunglasses. Wait. See, sunglasses. That is so cute. Aww. Okay. A little bit more so we can show you. Okay, that's enough. That is so cute. In the sun, when it's Sunday, it's always shine. So she needs sunglasses. That is so cute. Look, I found something in the jelly. Cute. Oh, jelly. Then we try and give her color change. Whee! I'm finding something inside the jelly if there's something else. And also you can collect all of these. See? They're all so cute. Wow. Look at it. Let's do at the back side later. I'll show you. Now look at O.M.G. She has sunglasses on. Cute. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and make sure to subscribe and like my channel. Bye.